Welcome to our Academic Colors Assembly for the year 2025. It is indeed a great honor for me to stand before you today. The conferment of colors is a significant tradition here at the Heritage School. It symbolizes our commitment to scholarship and the pursuit of knowledge. Earning these colors is no small feat. It reflects the effort and determination required to excel in our rigorous academic environment. Today, we recognize our Year 9 students who have achieved outstanding results in their checkpoint examinations. To be on this list, they need to have scored at least 15 points out of a possible 18 in their 3 subjects. For our IGCSE candidates, the criteria for receiving half colors is achievement of at least 6 A grades, while for them to receive full colors, they will need to have earned at least 8 A grades. AS students must have achieved at least 12 points to earn half colors, and they need to have attained at least 14 points to receive full colors. A-level students need to score at least 12 points for half colors and at least 13 points to receive full colors. A word to our award recipients. As we gather here to honor your achievements, please remember that these awards are not just accolades, they are encouragement to continue striving for excellence in everything, in all your future endeavors, not only in academics. Your hard work and dedication have set a solid foundation for you on your life journey. May these not be the last, but just the first awards you receive along your long academic journeys. I thank you.
Today, we gather to honor the dedication and hard work of high-performing students who have excelled in the checkpoint, Year 9 checkpoint, IGCSE, AS, A-level Cambridge exams. Their achievements reflect not only their intelligence and perseverance, but also the unwavering support from their families who are here today, their teachers who are also present here today, directors, and the entire school community. Let me take this opportunity to congratulate them for this milestone. Please, can we give all the recipients a big round of applause? As a school, we have put in many programs to improve our academic performance. This is what we have done. The introduction of common assessment tests, assessment assemblies, all that has helped us to achieve an improved performance with all our exams. Just before Christmas, whilst you all didn't know, Mr. Makono sent me the checkpoint results, and I started to celebrate Christmas well, because I could see that the performance was very good. In fact, it is the best performance ever since I came to the school by the checkpoint class. Well done. Then we received our AS and A-level results, which were also a marked improvement from previous results, and then obviously the IGCSE, which were also a marked improvement from the previous results. Today, we give the highest number of colors and certificates to all our candidates. Well done. To those that are still in school, and I'm sure those that are also going to university, I always like reading Vince Lombardi's work, and Vince Lombardi says, success is no accident. So what does that mean? You just don't meet success. You need a plan, you need a vision. It is hard work, yes. We have to work hard, like I always say, as long as you have given of your best, you are never a failure. Perseverance on the journey to success, there are unexpected hurdles that you need to jump. There are unexpected outcomes, but you still need to stay on track. Learning, being in the class, writing as many notes as you can, studying, doing so much research. As you can see, the exams have changed from an information-based exam to a more critical thinking exam, and a lot of work you need to do by yourself. Sacrifice, and most of all, which I all know, you love being here and love learning. Congratulations, and can we continue to aim high, like what the school motto says. Thank you. I would like to call upon our guest of honor today, Mr. Tom Austin, to come and help me with the awarding of certificates, starting with the checkpoint. It's a long list. Ayana Chigudu, 1 outstanding, good and high. Tyrone Kadene, 3 highs. Prince Kasirori, 3 highs. Kimberly Kasiandima, 1 outstanding, 1 good, 1 high. Tania Madziwa, 3 high. Ruvarashe Mahufe, 3 highs. Chinovimba Nashe Makono, 3 highs. Chantel Mare, 3 highs. Cristiano Maroeso, 3 highs. Unati Mulochwa, 3 highs. Ryan Nyanyiwa, 3 highs. Rudo Pangeti, 3 highs. Tinodashe Tavazila, 3 highs. Takudzwa Tuso, 3 highs. Al-Arik Yusuf, 3 highs. Tadiswa Katoma, 2 highs, 1 outstanding. Kobe Kureva, 2 highs, 1 outstanding. Mirera Ishem Pakaviri, 2 highs, 1 outstanding. Tawana Nyasha Shoniwa, 2 highs, 1 outstanding. Itai Tendaupenyu, 2 highs, 1 outstanding. Tinotenda Chinara, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Takomborerwa Chinoi, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Tanatswa Woronga, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Ruarashe Mparutsa, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Taropa Fadzwa Shoniwa, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Christian Vuma, 3 outstanding. Tamudashe Fudzijena, 1 high, 2 outstanding. Yolanda Christmas, 3 outstanding. Iniesta Jandwa, 3 outstanding. Atipa Ishem Hlanga, 3 outstanding. Tinomtenda Munetsi, 3 outstanding. Kudzieta Tomana, 3 outstanding. Thank you to the record-breaking Year 9s. We look forward to your IGCSE, and I hope you've started preparing for that. I now want to move on to IGCSE. Half colors to Anita Mabwe, 6 A's, 3 B's, half colors. Half colors to Maita Ishema Gwenzi, 1 A star, 6 A's, 2 B's, half colors. And then full colors to our IGCSE program. Nikita Madzianike, I think in absentia, 1 A star, 7 A's, 2 B's. Kundiso Mudadi, 1 A star, 7 A's. Bella Robson, 8 A stars, 1 A, 1 C. Tinomuda Shehove, 8 A stars, 2 A's. Onto the AS level, half colors, Sarai Muchena, 1A, 1B, 1C. In absentia. Shiloh Jasi, 2 A's, 1 C. Kimberly Kaseke, 2 A's, 1 C, half colors. And now moving on to full colors for academics in AS level. Jermaine Mparutsa, 2 A's, 1 B. Bianca Nyanete, 2 A's, 1 B.
Well done, Bia.
A re-award of full colors to Shanice Jory, 2 A's, 2 B's. Full colors to Yuseng Gao, 3 A's. Full colors to Ye Chen, 3 A's. Full colors to Brendan Tumbude, 3 A's, 1 B.
Well done, my guy.
Moving over to the year 13s, in absentia, Kiara De Santos, half colors, 3 B's. Half colors re-award, Tadiwa Mutodi, 3 B's. Half colors, new half colors to Prince Bobebe, 1A, 1B, 1C. Full colors to Tigere Chitsike, 1A, 2B's. Full colors to Natasha Matore, 1A, 2B's. I would like to highlight something here. So Natasha had a U in AS Travel and Tourism in Lower 6. She now has an A in A-level Travel and Tourism. So when we say persevere, don't quit, it works. From a U to an A in 1 year. Well done. Full colors re-award to Devante Pasadi, 1A star, 2 A's. Full colors re-award to Chanel Jory, 2 A stars, 1 A and a B. Thank you, Mr. Austin.
Thank you.
Thank you. It just leaves me to say thank you, parents, for all your support. We really appreciate it. And I know that you do a lot from home. And then thank you to our staff. If we continue to work hard, this is what we will produce. I'm sure we will continue to aim high, like what the school motto says. Thank you for giving off some of your weekends. And if that program can continue and inspire all these children that are here, to those that didn't receive any awards today, I think Natasha Matore's story should inspire you today. And thank you very much. I will now call upon Kimberly to give us her vote of thanks. Thank you.
Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard, then succeed on purpose. Words spoken by J.K. Nelson. A pleasant morning to everyone who has managed to grace our presence this morning. It is with immense pleasure I stand before you as I extend my deepest gratitude and awe of the drive, zeal, determination, and fortitude that we as a school have managed to enforce and practice. Success is not a formula, and today we can truly attest to that as we've witnessed different students from different backgrounds all rise steadfast with undeviating commitment to produce exceptional results. For that, I would like to congratulate and thank the students' body for working hard, for their boundless allegiance and constant vigor to excel. Thank you for making your school proud and always aiming high. To our directors, the school environment is forever changing, and because of your diligence, we are always equipped with the right resources to embark on our educational journey with no disturbances. No words could ever express our gratitude, but we are internally thankful. To our teachers, thank you for not giving up on us and sacrificing your delicate time to assist and ensure that not only do we understand, but we excel exceptionally. To our head teachers, Mr. Mike and Mr. Tachive. I'm sure I speak for everyone when I say you bring out the best in all of us, and we appreciate your time and your care. We are sincerely thankful. And to our heroes who don't wear capes, our parents. Day in and day out, you are constantly looking out, caring and guiding us in the best direction that is present. Thank you for constantly providing the best facilities that we could possibly have. If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here. Additionally, for this event to be a success, we thank everybody who worked behind the scenes to coordinate, plan all elements. Last but not least, I would like to thank God, for if it wasn't for His will, none of us would be present here today. Thank you all for staying with us today. We have come to the end of our event. Thank you.